Welcome to Quarter 1, Week 1. Try this B tutorial. You have to write the following quadratic equations in standard form and then give the value of A, B, and C. Let's try item number 4, which is 14 equals 3x minus x squared. Recall that the standard form of a quadratic equation is written in ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. So for this item, kailangan nating ilagay si negative x squared sa leading coefficient, sumunod si 3x, and then the constant term 14. At sa right-hand side of the equation, it should be 0, as in this form. So, para gawin yun, we have to transpose this negative x squared to the other side. Ganon din itong si 3x. So, we'll have, from negative x squared, this will be x squared na lang, positive. And then 3x, from positive, it becomes negative 3x. And then, mareretain dito sa left side si 14. So, magiging positive pa lang. Positive pa rin yan. So, plus 14. And then, finally, we equate this to 0. Okay? Wala nang natira dito sa right-hand side. Now, check natin. Do we have the same form as this one? Obviously, yes. So, now, we can get the value of A, B, and C. A is the leading coefficient of the term x squared. Since we cannot find any number before x, it is supposedly 1. Next, for x, we have the negative 3 here. And then the constant term, positive 14. So that is, again, our A, B, and C. Now we write it here. A is equal to positive 1, B is equal to negative 3, and C is equal to the constant term 14. Do the same for the other items in this section.